it's good to know that social media is marketing. Social media is not sales. That doesn't mean it won't lead to sales. But if you think of posting as social media as direct sales technique, you will be disappointed. Social media is not great at making direct sales, but it is great at finding your ideal clients and then knowing to follow up and make the sale. So the sale doesn't often happen directly on social media. It's less and less happening. Now, there are paid ads, and so there might be a direct, buy a product. You typically are not going to buy consulting services from a link on social media. So just know that social media, without awareness of your brand and who you are and how you help people, no one can find you and no one can buy from you. So marketing is building that awareness in front of the right people.